Shopify's shift towards GraphQL is transforming e-commerce data integration, but with it comes a new set of challenges. Today, we'll explore why Shopify GraphQL is gaining traction, the hurdles users face, and how eZintegrations simplifies the entire integration process. Let's dive in. With Shopify prioritizing GraphQL over REST, businesses are moving towards this API for faster, more flexible data access. GraphQL allows fetching multiple related data points in a single request, reducing API calls and improving efficiency. However, integrating Shopify GraphQL with enterprise systems comes with challenges. Users face issues such as API rate limits, handling bulk product data, structuring responses dynamically, and managing complex data transformations. Without the right approach, these challenges can slow down business operations and increase integration complexity. This is where eZintegrations helps. It provides a no-code platform that simplifies Shopify GraphQL integration, transforming unstructured data into a format that can be processed efficiently. Let's see how it works. First, we configure Shopify GraphQL as the source system to fetch product information. Using eZintegrations, we establish a secure connection, define the data fields we need, and ensure efficient data retrieval. Next, we move to the operations section to refine our data. We start by using the data extractor to fetch the key containing our product records. Then, we apply the single-line to multi-line operation, converting the records into a structured multi-line format. This step is crucial for handling bulk product data efficiently. To further optimize, we send the key holding all records to the top level, making it easily accessible for aggregation. Since our target system requires aggregated data, we now use the data aggregation operation to group related records and finally converting them into tuples using single-line to tuple operation for easier processing and making it compatible for the database. Before sending the data, we validate it in the console to ensure it follows the required format. This helps us catch any discrepancies before finalizing the integration. Before we set up the target system, let's take a look at our Shopify instance to verify the data stored. Here, we can see the product information that we just fetched using GraphQL. Now, we configure the target system by entering the necessary connection details and saving the integration bridge. With the integration bridge saved, we start the service. As data flows, we monitor live streaming logs and confirm that the structured product data is successfully transferred to the target system. With just a few simple steps, we've successfully integrated Shopify GraphQL data using eZintegrations,